Hello folks, Shep here and welcome back to a brand new video. Now tonight I'm with Stockport Paranormal Bill's Adventures and we're just taking a walk around some old mills. I'll see you in the video. There we go. There's some trees over there. Remember guys, if you see or hear anything, put it in the timestamp, put it in the video description below. See if we can get some more light. Oh, that's brilliant. So the old picnic area. But there's something over here. Tell you what, I'm going to have to definitely get a better light for outside use. Let's see what this is. Stone circle of light. Dated from 1802. So if we come down here and we get to the ruins of the old mills. So just a park bench. Piece of plastic. Absolutely pitch black down here. I can't see a pigging thing. I definitely can't see anything now. I've just shined a light in my face. But yeah, definitely going to have to get a better light. And you can see where I'm walking. Nature trail. Ah, it is the start of the ruins. Coming up right now. The old pump stations, I think. So this is right in the middle of nowhere, right by a river, as mills, cotton mills were in those days. Well, that guy you keep seeing, it's Bill from Bill's Adventures and Stockport Paranormal. I will put his links in the description below. Taking a few pictures. I think it'll be an uncut this one. It's just one long walk, one long path. We've got something going on here, haven't we? Something else there, I don't know what that is. Hodgefold. think that's where that pap would have brought us out. The sounds you can hear is the river Ebro. Shrubbery, woods. You got a better torch? I could do something more powerful really, couldn't we? And that's not bad when it's on the camera, but if I go like that, can't see a thing.
That was something.
Yeah. Not been down here proper since I was a kid. Just come down all the time. There's some outlets further on there, a place called Greatwood.
Yeah.
And they're just tunnels. And I don't know where they're going. I really, really want to go inside and have a look one day. But I think the water outlets as well, because when it's raining, water just rushes out.
Well, we do. If you're going to do it, let me know and I'll pick you up and take them.
Alright, cheers. Much appreciated.
But I like things like this myself, but...
Yeah. We've got a wall there and a big bridge. I know there's been many deaths in this water. Drownings. Mostly kids. Which is sad. Ooh. Sorry about the light quality, guys. There's absolutely nothing I can do about it at this precise moment. No sign posts. I think we've looked at that one at the other end, haven't we? Yeah, broad nose. That's Winefield Visitors Centre and Heritage. I think what we'd have to do is come back during the day and have a proper look and then know where we, need to go. You know the old divats are up that way, but it's a mission that. Let's go across this bridge, see what's across. It's quite a big drop down to the river. Can't really see it on the video. There's a cliff face over there as well. And there's one here. Just a gaping cliff face. Yes. Top of the screen.
Nice,
All the way down. So imagine people used to just walk through here to go to work in the morning. End of the 19th century, beginning of the 20th century.
yeah. That's nice, that.
It is, isn't it? There's another one across the way there, but you can't see it because of the dark.
Yeah.
And we used to jump off it into the river when we were in the summer when we were kids. know how much you guys are seeing on this, hopefully. I'll have a look back through it. This cliff face carries on. That's it. They build and then nature takes over again. Right, I think we'll see how much more we can get out of it. If I come across anything else, I'll catch you on video. That'll do for now, though. Okay guys, that's it. Time for a cup of tea, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Peace.